Hi guys, so I have a incoming project and this is from Meekaboo 32s. She held a Groovy swap with her daughter Ashley, which was so cute. It was Ashley's first swap. And I don't know, I have no earthly idea who this is from, but it is so cute. Oh my goodness. I did not get to watch all the reveals yet. And sometimes I don't like watching them before this, like before I get my swap, because then it ruins the surprise, you know? So I usually watch them after. And I definitely never watch a swap like reveal while I'm still working on the swap, because then I start getting in my head and it's just the whole thing. So I'm trying to take this off. I'm going to take this off and I'll be right back. Okay, that was extremely hard to open. So I'm glad I didn't make you guys suffer through that. I had to cut it open in the end. I'm going to try to find something that's identifying, like that would have their info on it. Because before I open it, I want to know who it is. Oh, hold on. Yes, it's Crafting con Cruz. I never have received anything from her. I follow her. Oh, this is exciting. No wonder why it's so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, guys, Cruz is amazing. And she is known. I was like, there's some beads, a dangle or something. She is known for her epic dangles. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, so let's look at this. Look how cute this is. Adorable. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. You guys, this is so cute. And it has hollow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's look at the first item. So the first thing we have is this little cute shaker. I use this too, but did I make mine? Yeah, I made mine into a shaker. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Look how cute. And I recognize some of this paper from Hobby Lobby, but look at this. Look how cute this is. Oh my word. I'm sure she's gonna have all the beaded things. So look, again, with the little bead hanging from it. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. They're so cute. Look at the peace sign. So cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. It was funny because I feel like this stuff came out like after the I think Mika announced the swap and then like Scrap Diva announced this, and I think it was like crazy. Like we were all like, oh my gosh, I was just talking about this flower in my Michael's haul. This is so pretty. Pretty. And she put these fun like shaker beads in here. Hold on. Here we go. Look. They're diamond dots. Look how cute. I love this. I love this die. It's so big. Ooh, it's so cute. I love how the inside is a shaker. This is adorable. This is adorable. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put it back over here inside of the little, this little van. I cannot get over this van, guys. Okay, it's so cute. Okay, and she made me words. I love the words. I love receiving the words because these are so hard to put together. It's like you're like, oh, I was crafting for 2 hours. What did I do? I made like 2 words because these take so long to do. Yeah, this is the paper that I recognize from Hobby Lobby. Look how cute this is. I love that she used the glossy paper on top too. Oh, this is adorable, this little piece. These are so cute. These little sentiments are adorable. They go perfectly with the theme. And then she used one of them on this memory text. Let me make sure okay, good. Her address is not on the back. This is adorable. You guys, look at this. Look how cute. Of course, she has beads everywhere. These flowers are beautiful. These are my favorite flowers. Look how cute this is. And you guys, she used like a butterfly acetate and then like did an epic shaker mix inside with the diamond dots and everything else. Look at this. Look at this sequin mix. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, it matches perfectly. All of this matches. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it's like on a little Polaroid. This is adorable. And on the back, it just has her info. So she has a YouTube and Instagram. So I will put them both. I'll put her YouTube in the title. And then look how cute. I forgot what the requirements are, but I think we had to do 4 shakers. I think that was one of the requirements. I don't remember them all because it was a long time ago. But look how cute this is. Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing this? It's adorable. This is so cute. I love these little hanging things. And I think she just used wire. Sorry, guys, if you hear my neighbors are doing fireworks. Okay. You guys know that I am a lover of the pokey tool. This is so pretty. Oh, my goodness. Oh, the little hanging thing, my favorite little hanging thing. It's so funny because I was making a bunch of Poke Tools this weekend and I put a little jump ring inside of here, not knowing what I'm going to do with it. But look how cute this is. I knew I was going to hang something from it, but I wasn't sure what. And I like when they're like thin like this. That's why I prefer to use this one as opposed to the one from Hobby Lobby, because then this thing is very thin and I feel like that makes it easier when you're trying to like pull up stuff, where sometimes when it's thick, it doesn't. This is beautiful. Like, look at all this stuff together. Look how pretty it is. It matches perfectly, honestly. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, good. I got some of this shaker mix. That's gorgeous, to die for, stunning. And she put a little thingy on top. So cute. And then, oh my gosh. Do you guys know that I love gobstoppers? Ever since I watched Willy Wonka, I have been obsessed with these things. These are going to be opened as soon as this video is over. And then look, she made, oh, I thought this was the packaging. Oh, no, it's not. There's something else in here, guys. Look at this cute little box. Oh, yeah, we had to make cards. That's right. Oh, she put envelopes. Did I do that? I don't even remember. Okay, so she made these beautiful cards. This one says smile. And I think they're blank on the inside, but she did put a little sticker. And I love the black envelopes with this. So cute. And then this one says good days only. Isn't that the truth? My goodness. And she put like diamond dots all around. So pretty. And then this one says yes you can. I love how encouraging the sentiments these are. They're like anytime cards. And then look at how she did the inside. This is so cute, this little box that she made for this. I mean, it's just like easy peasy. It's like a little pizza box. So cute. And then I saved what I know her for last. I don't even know what these are because they're humongous. They're humongous. This, look, you guys, it's like a keychain. This is so pretty. Oh my word. This is stunningly gorgeous. First of all, these flower beads are everything. Where are these from? They are so cute. They remind me of a die that I have. Okay, so let's look at all of it. Let's look at everything. Because how cute is this? Look at this. Look at these beads. They are literally stunning. This bow is everything. I need to make some of these. I gotta write that down on my TBD. Oh gosh, now my garage. Everything's going wrong. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. Let me pause for a second because I know my children are about to run in here and they don't care that I'm doing a video. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. So now let's open this. I don't even know what this is because you guys, what even is this? Oh my gosh, it is the world's most epic dangle. It says Groovy all of, I cannot even. Like, what even is this? What even is this? You guys, look at this. Of course, the children. Hold on a second. Of course, they still came in. You guys, look at this. This is a dangle. What even is this? Oh my word. This is the most epic, amazing dangle I have ever seen, let alone had my hands on. I have never even seen anything like this. Oh my goodness gracious. You guys, do you see this? It's like the whole thing says Groovy, which is amazing. Look at this. Like the whole, I mean, this is just, it's like, this is the kind of dangle that I make. This right here on the end, the end piece to this. Amazing. Oh my gosh, Cruz, thank you so much. This would take me a whole hour to describe. I'm going to try to lay it out so you guys can see it because it is phenomenally amazing. Like she has a love just like sticking out on the top. Oh my goodness. This says swap, just sticking out, just right there sticking out. I have these letters. I need to use them. I've never. This is stunningly gorgeous. This is going to be the thumbnail because oh, I'm sorry guys for all the noise. My house is full of people. Most of them belong to me. Cruz, thank you so much. Thank you, Mika, for hosting this swap. Thank you, Cruz. Oh my gosh, this needs a frame in my craft room. You guys, make sure you go follow her. You will not be disappointed. I have never been disappointed. Follow her on Instagram, follow her on YouTube. I'll put all the info in below, and make sure you go follow Mika as well. And go watch the reveals. That's what I'm gonna do. As soon as my swap comes in, then I'm like, all right, now I need to go to the reveals. So if you guys ever see me commenting on your swaps, like, you know, a month later, 2 months later, it's because I go back and look at them later. Oh my gosh, this roller skate. I'm gonna stare at this for like another 30 minutes and then I'm gonna be done. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you the next one. Bye.